Let me ask you something, and be honest. If you got paid today, how much of that money would still be there in 30 days? Most Americans don't lack income, they lack financial discipline, and without it, no amount of money ever feels like enough. Welcome to the Confidence Code, where we talk about money, mindset, and building a future you can trust. Today, I'll show you how to build financial discipline, not by being extreme, but by being intentional. Financial discipline isn't about never spending money. It's about spending with purpose. Discipline is choosing what matters most, even when something tempting shows up right now. And once you understand that, everything changes. The first rule of financial discipline is simple. Pay yourself first, before shopping, before entertainment, before lifestyle upgrades. When savings come first, discipline becomes automatic. Here's the truth most people miss. Willpower is unreliable. Automation is not. Automate your savings. Automate your investments. When money moves without you thinking about it, discipline stops being hard. You can't discipline what you don't see. Most Americans don't track spending and then wonder where their money went. Awareness alone can change behavior. Track your money, and discipline starts to build naturally. Here's a powerful habit. Before any non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. Most impulse buys lose their power with time. Discipline grows in that pause. Financial discipline collapses without protection. An emergency fund keeps you out of panic mode. It turns problems into conveniences, not disasters. Start small, build consistency. Confidence follows. Part 7. Control debt, don't ignore it. Discipline means facing debt, not avoiding it. High-interest debt steals your future freedom. Pay it down aggressively and stop feeding it with bad habits. Less debt equals more control. Disciplined people don't ask, "Can I afford this?" They ask, "Is this who I'm becoming?" When discipline becomes part of your identity, it lasts. Financial discipline isn't built overnight. It's built one decision at a time. Small choices, repeated daily. If this helped you, subscribe to the Confidence Code and start building confidence, one smart move at a time.